Hey everyone, welcome back for another deep dive. You know, the ones we put together just for you. Today, we're going to be looking at Lensgo.ai. It's this platform. They're saying it's going to totally change how we think about making visual stuff.
Yeah.
Imagine, right? You need some really amazing images or designs, but Photoshop, forget it. Yeah, that's not happening. But that's what Lensgo.ai says it can do. They use AI to make it effortless. Anyone can create professional looking visuals. That's their thing. So the piece we're diving into, it jumps right in and describes Lensgo.ai as, get this, an advanced AI-powered platform designed to create stunning visuals effortlessly. Effortlessly. Those are some pretty big words. What do you think? It specifically mentions photographers, marketers, and content creators. Sounds like their target audience. So they're trying to reach both, like the pros and the newbies. But how would those different groups even use Lensgo.ai? I mean, wouldn't it be different for each?
That's a good question. Yeah. Well, let's think. So, a photographer, right? They might use Lensgo.ai to make their work even better. Like maybe there's some AI tools to fine-tune details, or even, play around with different art styles, like try out stuff they wouldn't normally do. Then you've got marketers. They're probably focused on creating visuals that really grab your attention for ads and social media and stuff. Content creators, I'm thinking they use it for graphics, for their blogs or videos. There are so many ways it could be used.
Okay, so the excerpt talks about three main things Lensgo.ai can do: generate images, enhance designs, and create what they call unique content. The first two I kind of get, especially with all the AI art tools that are out there now, like Dalle and Midjourney. I mean, you give them a text prompt, and they just make these amazing images. We've all seen the results, right? But this unique content creation thing, what even is that?
Right. That one's kind of a mystery. It's exciting, though, for sure. I'm thinking it could be something like AI-assisted brainstorming, So Lensgo.ai could actually help you come up with visual ideas based on what you tell it, of course. So it's not just making images, but it's guiding you, suggesting new things, stuff you might not have thought of.
That's pretty wild. But let's go back to what they said about making visual creation effortless. Do you really think that's possible? Even with AI, don't you still need skills and creative vision to make stuff that's actually good?
Right. I think we have to remember that these tools, like Lensgo.ai, they're meant to help us, not replace us. AI can do the technical stuff, sure, but you still need to bring your own ideas to the table. Your perspective, your artistic sense. It's more about giving us superpowers, not making us obsolete.
So it's like having, a superpowered assistant, one that does all the boring stuff.
Yeah.
So you're free to focus on the creative side.
Yeah, exactly. And that actually makes me wonder about something else. If it suddenly becomes this easy to create amazing visuals, what happens to the people who do this professionally? Will designers need to find new ways to set themselves apart?
Whoa, that's a big question. And with it being so easy, everyone's going to be creating content. That's kind of exciting, but also a little scary. It could be like a world full of artists.
Exactly. Will we see all this new, diverse content? Or will it just be a bunch of generic AI-generated stuff? Stuff that's missing that human touch? That's a tough one to answer.
It is. So we've talked about how Lensgo.ai might impact different industries, and even about what it could mean for the future of art. Sounds like this platform could really shake things up.
No doubt about it. It's going to be super interesting to see how people use this technology. Will they just copy what's already out there?
Yeah.
Or will they use it to push the boundaries, Explore new ways to be creative. That's what I'm curious about.
That's a great thought to end on. And for everyone listening, we really want you to check out Lensgo.ai yourself. Think about how you could use it. Who knows? Maybe it'll spark something in you, Maybe you'll find a new creative side you never even knew you had. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive. Until next time.
See you next time.